The action camera market has experienced significant expansion in recent years, with multiple players vying for market leadership. Despite facing competition, GoPro has maintained its position as the market leader, renowned for its exceptional performance and user-friendly design. With the imminent launch of the much-awaited GoPro Hero 13 Black, there is a growing anticipation regarding the potential enhancements and advancements that could solidify GoPro's leading position. Rumors about the Hero 13 Black suggest several notable enhancements, while some enthusiasts hope for higher resolutions up to 8K. It's more likely that GoPro will focus on refining existing features and addressing long-standing issues. One of the most anticipated upgrades is the introduction of the GP3 processor, which would succeed the GP2 chip used in the last 3 generations. This new processor could significantly boost overall performance and potentially resolve overheating problems that have affected some GoPro models. Software optimization is another critical area where users expect improvements. The current GoPro app has faced criticism for frequent crashes and freezes, particularly during crucial shooting moments. Enhancing the app's stability and functionality could greatly improve the user experience, aligning it with competitors who have prioritized app-based features. As action camera companies increasingly focus on providing a wide range of useful features through their apps, GoPro needs to ensure its software keeps pace with user expectations. Overheating has been a persistent issue for GoPro cameras, often limiting shooting times compared to rival devices. The introduction of a new processor combined with an improved heat sink design could potentially address this problem, allowing for extended recording sessions without interruption. This improvement would be particularly welcomed by users who require longer shooting times for their projects. GoPro's success has largely been built on its versatility, exceptional image stabilization, and overall performance. Since its introduction, GoPro has revolutionized how people capture action-packed moments and everyday memories. Whether you're an extreme sports enthusiast or simply want to document your travels in a compact device, GoPro has been the go-to choice for many. However, competition in the action camera market has intensified with companies like DJI and Insta360 challenging GoPro's dominance. To maintain its leading position, GoPro needs to elevate its game, and recent rumors suggest the company is doing just that with the Hero 13 Black. One of the most exciting rumored features is Hyper Smooth 7.0, an upgraded version of GoPro's renowned image stabilization technology. This enhancement promises even more stable and shake-free footage, building on a key strength that has set GoPro apart from its competitors. The ability to capture ultra-smooth videos in challenging conditions has been a hallmark of GoPro devices, and further improvements in this area could help maintain the brand's edge. The potential inclusion of a more powerful processor in the Hero 13 Black could pave the way for additional enhancements. For instance, it might allow GoPro to incorporate a larger sensor, significantly improving low-light performance. This upgrade would address one of the few areas where some competitors have managed to outperform GoPro in recent years. While some users may be hoping for 8K resolution, it's worth noting that this feature may not be necessary or practical for most users, given the already impressive image quality GoPro provides. The focus is more likely to be on refining existing capabilities and addressing user pain points, rather than pushing resolution boundaries. As for the launch date, GoPro has traditionally unveiled its new models in September. Speculation points to September 11th as a potential release date for the Hero 13 Black. Though this remains unconfirmed, the success of the Hero 13 Black could have significant implications for the action camera market as a whole. If GoPro manages to address key issues like overheating and app stability, while introducing innovative new features, it could force competitors to step up their game, ultimately benefiting consumers with better products across the board. As the release date approaches, excitement continues to build among tech enthusiasts and action sports aficionados. The key question on everyone's mind is whether the Hero 13 Black will live up to expectations and successfully fend off growing competition from rivals like DJI and Insta360. Ultimately, the true test of the Hero 13 Black will come when it's in the hands of users, capturing everything from extreme sports to everyday memories. Its performance in real-world conditions will determine whether GoPro can maintain its crown as the king of action cameras or if it's time for a new contender to take the throne. As we eagerly await the official announcement and release of the GoPro Hero 13 Black, it's clear that this launch represents a crucial moment for both the company and the action camera market as a whole. Whether you're a longtime GoPro fan or a curious observer, the upcoming release promises to be an exciting event in the world of consumer technology. So, that's all about the upcoming GoPro Hero 13 Black. Do let us know what you think about this. As for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.